Welcome to Steph's Academic Tuition Center. So with me here is mathematics and equations using completing the square method. So the first question is read by completing the square method, solve the following equation. So the first equation is question A, which is x squared plus 4x plus 2. So the way I'm going to do it here, since x squared here coefficient for A is our A, is our B, is our C, and my A here, as you can see, there's one here, so I cannot divide this one because to give us the same answer. So the next stage here is now to multiply this part B by half. So I'll say x square plus 4x, then multiply this by half, which is 1 over 2. Half is 1 over 2, then plus 2 is equal to 0, like this. Then from here, I will simplify the expression here, plus here. So 2 into 4 here, there's over 1 here, don't forget. So 2 here, it's 1. 2 here, it's 2. So 2x times 1, which is 2x here, then plus that 2 there. Okay, then from here now I'll complete the square, which was equal to 0. So I'll complete the square by saying x plus, so as you can see, we have x squared here, so the x is reducing, so even here we remain with just 2, then square. So this number will come out because I'm completing the square, so it will be minus so even if it's possible negative, this minus to appear here, then minus 2 to the power 2, then plus the 2 is 2 is equal to 0. So I'll say x plus 2 here, squared here, minus, so negative 2 times, this minus here, then 2 times 2, which is 4, then plus 2 is equal to 0. Then from here, I'll say x plus 2 minus, so negative 4 plus 2, which is negative 2, is equal to 0. So this 2 will go this side. So I'll write x plus 2 square is equal to now to be positive 2. Okay. Then here I need to get rid of this square. So I'll put square. I'll put square here. Then I'll put positive or negative the square root. So it will be x. So this and this cancel. So it will be x plus 2 is equal to positive or negative root of 2, because I don't have the perfect square for what? I don't have perfect square for 2. Then now what I'll do, I'll write x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus, this will go this side, so it will be minus 2, the root of what? Root of 2. So my x will be is equal to negative 2 plus root of 2, or x is equal to negative 2 minus root of 2, like this. So these are the final answers for this question. Okay. Then I'll go to question B. Question B is saying, so question B is x squared plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So again, I need to solve using what we call the completing the square method. So as you can see, x alone here, so I'll go straight to part B, where I'm supposed to multiply B by half. So I'll say x squared plus 2x multiplied by 1 over 2 minus 5 is equal to 0. So I'll say x squared plus, so this 2 and this 2 cancel, remain with 1x, which is x, minus 5 is equal to 0. Then from here, I'll complete the square now, so the x need to be reduced. So I'll write x plus 1 here then square, then minus, which is 1, this one now here square, minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so I'll say x plus 1 square minus 1, because 1 times 1 is 1, eh? Then minus 5 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 square minus here to be 6 is equal to 0. So again it will be x plus 1 square here is equal to 6. So after cross the cosine to be positive. Then I'll proceed from this end. So x plus 1 square is equal to 6. So I put square root, then I put positive and negative square root of this. So this and this cancel. X plus 1 is equal to plus 1 minus 6. Then from here, I'll say x is equal to negative 1. This will be negative 1 plus or minus root of 6 here. So x is equal to negative 1 plus root of 6, or x again is equal to negative 1 plus to be minus now here minus root of 6. So these are the two answers for x. Hope it's very much clear. Then I got question C. I got question C. Question C is saying x square minus 6x plus 11 is equal to 0. Like that, yeah. So, as you can see, x alone here, there's one x. So it means I'm going to multiply b by half. So I'll say x squared minus 6x multiplied by half, which is 1 over 2 plus 11 is equal to 0, like this. So I'll say x squared minus so over 1 here. So 2 here it's 1, 2 here it will be 3, so it will be 3x plus 11 is equal to 0. Hope it's clear here. Then I'll now complete the square. I'll reduce x, so x minus 3 to the power 2, then minus this negative 3 to come out like this, then plus 11 is equal to 0. Okay, so x minus 3 to the power 2 minus negative 3 times negative 3, which is positive 9, plus 11 is equal to 0. So it will be x minus 3 square negative 9 plus 11, the answer is positive 2. Then is equal to 0. Then from here now, we'll say x minus 3 square is equal to negative 2. Okay, so here is the crucial part of negative 2 here. So we'll say x minus 3 square is equal to negative 2. So here we need to put a square root. So square root, so put positive or negative the square root. So we have x minus 3, this and this cancel, is equal to positive or negative the root of negative 2. Root of negative 2. So from here, we'll take this 3 to the other side. So to be x is equal to be positive 3 plus or minus root of negative 2, like this. Yes, so now what we'll do here, I can try to simplify this one. I can try to simplify this one because this one same as x is equal to 3 plus or minus. This one same as root of 2 times negative 1. Yeah, because I know that 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, which is same as this one. So I'll say x is equal to 3 plus or minus This one is same as a root of 2 times a root of -1 like this. Yeah, because I know if one can split this into 2, this one root of 2 and root of -1. So from here now, I'll say x is equal to a 3 plus or minus again. So this one, the square root of -1, I know it is a perfect square. Root of 1 is 1. The -1, it's 1i, which is same as I. So it will be then I times 1 times root of 2. So it will be I a root of 2 like this. Okay, this is nice, eh? Yeah. So now my answer will be x is equal to 3 plus I root of 2, or x is equal to 3 minus I root of 2, like this. So these will be my final answers for this question. Hope it's very much clear. So option C is 2x squared plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So this one's different from the previous one. As you can see, we have 2 here, 2x squared. So I need to get rid of this 2. So what I'll do here, I'll divide everything by 2. So I'll say 2x squared plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. So I'll divide everything by what? By 2. So I'll say over 2 over 2 over 2 over 2. So that 2 we can cancel. So I'll remain with x squared plus 2 into 4, which is 2, plus this one is 1 over 2 is equal to 2 into 0, which is 0, like this. Okay, here there's x here, x here. Okay, then from here I'll now multiply this half by this b by half. So I'll say x squared plus 2x open bracket 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 0, like this. Then from here I'll say x squared plus 2 and 2 cancel, I mean with x here, then plus 1 over 2 is equal to 0, like this. Yeah, then from here I'll now complete the square. So I have x here plus x into x is 1 square minus, don't forget this minus, so minus 1 here square, this number will come outside like this, then plus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so x plus 1 square minus 1 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. So I need to do this guy here. So it is -1 over 1 plus 1 over 2. So common denominator here is what? Is 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. 2 times -1, -2, minus plus, I mean this plus here. 2 into 2 it's 1. 1 times 1, which is 1. This one needs to be -1 over 2. So the answer here for this one is the -1 over 2. So write x plus 1 square minus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. So I'll get this guy will go this side, this one will go this side. So to be x plus 1 over 2 square is equal to positive 1 over 2, like this. Okay, then from here now I need to put square root here, positive or minus square root of this. So I have x plus 1 over 2 of this, and this will cancel. So it is equal to positive 1 square root of 1 over 2. So again here, if I can try to check, this one here it has got a square root because square root of 1 over 2 is same as the square root of 1 over the square root of 2. If one can split them, here. So now my next stage will be x plus 1 over 2 is equal to plus or minus the root of 1 over the root of 2, like this. Okay, so this one, since one has got a square root, so I'll say x plus 1 over 2 square is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 to 1 over a root of 2, like this. Okay, so I can now proceed. Oh, this one, because I already find the square root here, so this one I'm not supposed to include it. Sorry. So now this 1 over 2 comes, go this side, so x is equal to be negative 1 over 2 plus or minus 1 over the root of 2. So, which means my answer now here will be x is equal to negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over the root of 2, or x is equal to negative 1 over 2 minus 1 over the root of 2. If I want, I can simplify this further by looking for common denominator, which is 2 and the root of 2 here. This into this, it will be root of 2. So times negative 1 to be negative root of 2, then plus this into this, it will be 2 times this one to be 2, like this. Or again here, 2 root of 2 as a common denominator. So 2 into this, it will be this one, so to be negative root of 2 minus this into this, it will be 2, like this. So this will be my final answers for this question. Hope it's very much clear. Yeah, so the question D is open bracket 2x plus 2 close bracket to the power 2 equal to this. So here first I need to expand this expression. So I know there's that expansion for grade 12. Kakafana kaja times kaja kocha at 2x plus 2 again 2x plus 2 then is equal to 8x x minus 8, like this one. Ninkafana okay. So kaba cool so you just said 2x times 2x, which is 4x squared, then 2x times 2, which is plus 2x times 2, which is 4x, then times 2, so because I'm multiplying two numbers, so multiply by 2, so which is 8x, then 2 times 2 again, which is plus 4, then equal to x minus 8, like this. Okay? But if one can proceed, this you say this time this time this, again this time this time this, then you add the like term. So here to be 4x squared. This x will come this side, so to be minus x plus 8x plus 4 plus 8 is equal to 0. I'm trying to bring everything this side. Yeah. So 4x squared plus this and this to be a 7x, then plus this and this will be 12 is equal to 0. So now I can complete the square properly here. So as you can see, I have 4, so I'm going to say over 4, remember, over 4, and over 4, and to get rid of this guy. So remain with what? With x squared plus 7 over 4 x plus this into this to be 3 is equal to 0. The next stage, I multiply b by half. This is b, so by half. So I'll say x squared plus 7 over 4x here multiplied by 1 over 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, sorry. Yeah, then from here now, I'll simplify the expression. So x squared plus, so this times this to be 7x over 8 plus 3 is equal to 0. Then from here now I'll factor out. So I'll say x plus 7 over 8 square minus 7 over 8 square plus 3 is equal to 0. Yeah. Then from here, I will simplify this expression. So x plus 7 over 8 square minus 7 times 7, 49. 8 times 8, 64. Plus 3 is equal to 0. Yeah, then here now and to subtract here negative 49 over 64 plus 3 over 1, which is common denominator here 64. This into this, which is 1 times this one to be 49 negative plus this into this to be 64. 64 times 3. 64 times 3. So going to multiply 64 times 3 there, which is 192. So 192. So this minus this, so going to subtract. When you subtract, you get 143. It will be for positive 1, positive 140, 143 over 64. So it means the answer here is 143 over 64. So x plus 7 over 8 square, then to be plus 143 over 64 is equal to 0. Okay. Then this one will go this side. So to be x plus 7 over 8 to the power 2 is equal to negative 143 over 34. Then you put square root here. You say positive and negative square root of this guy. So x plus 7 over 8 is equal to positive and negative. This one has got no square root, so it means, and remember what I did on the previous question, since here is same as times negative 1, so this one to be, on top there to be I, the root of 143. I'm going to split this one, then over the root of 64, which is 8, like this. Okay. Then from here, I now say x is equal to negative 7 over 8 plus or minus I root of 143 over 8. So x is equal to, I'll look for common denominator, which is 8. 8 into 8, 1. So negative 7 plus or minus I root of 143, like this. So my answers are x is equal to negative 7 plus I root of 143 over 8, or x is equal to negative 7 minus I root of 143 over 8. These are two answers for this question. Hope it's very much clear. Yeah, I think so. For this part, I can end here. Yeah, so if you have any question, you can try to WhatsApp me on 097 3222, which is 097 2623222. You can WhatsApp me if you have any challenge. I can be able to explain. Thank you very much.